What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. Alright, the song called Break the Ice by Britney Spears. Alright, so let's start. Alright, for this choreography, first you're gonna need to move back because we're going walk front. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, toss. 4, 5. Look back on 6, turn around 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. From here you're gonna use your hips. Right, left, sit. Side. 4, 5, 6. We'll change. 7. Drop on 8. All right. One more time. Gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, you're gonna use your hips 4 times. You're gonna go figure 8. So right, left, right, left. Gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Open on 5, 6, and make a circle. Point your finger. 7, raise and 8. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So next from here you're gonna walk back. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, down 6. Turn around 7. And 8. So make sure your face is looking in the mirror. This is 8. Then look on 1. Then I'll leave them 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's try again. Continuously. 5, 6, 7. Walk and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1. And slowly 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. Make it clear. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, for this one we're gonna go on the floor. First, 1, cross 2, open on 3. Down 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Alright, as simple as that. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go. Open, cross your legs. Scissor. Open on 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Alright, next this is a simple one. Just touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, for the last 8, use your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, head 5, 6. Step your right, left to the front. Look back, change your weight. And that's it. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look back. All right, that's it. All right, let's count from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 6, 7. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, 2, 3, ad-lib 5, 6, 7, side down, 1, 2, open, and go 5, 6, 7, shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hips, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, look back and. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Alright? We're gonna see you soon later.